Let's look over here at the profile for a minute. It goes right with this one. Okay, and what happens is we want you to fill out your profile, okay? And it's really, really, really important because what happens is I want to know who I'm talking to. All right, so as a user, I want to look over there and see something about that person. I'd like to look at their website. I'd like to see how long they've been in business. I'd like to look at their bio because people that are given advice that aren't in business very long and this, that, and the other, am I listening to that? I'm probably not. You know, I'm always listening for great ideas, but I want to know more about the people. So here's your phone number if you want to put that. That's our company phone number. Home Inspector Help is our website. You can go there, anything, but you put your biography on here. And I just put a little biography on here about me. Okay, so you can get into all kind of things here on your profile. So it really, really is important to get your profile set up correctly so others can know about you. Put your picture in there. Listen, I got a face for radio, and I got my picture in here. So go ahead and throw your picture in there so we can see who you are. It's all cool. Super easy. You just click on here in your profile. Man, just write, a few little things in. It'll let you edit right here. And just edit a profile. And if you get a better picture later, put it in there, whatever. I just got a picture of Beth grabbed one of, I was at a Mexican restaurant. It was pouring down rain. My hair was all wet, and I just ran back there, and she got a picture in the palm tree. It turned out pretty good, so I just used it. So anyway, profile, very, very important. Please fill it out.